Shanti awakening.
If you have ever set your alarm for 4 a.m., you know the battle. The alarm goes off, you force yourself out of bed, but your mind is either drifting back to sleep or immediately racing with yesterday's stress. In Raja Yoga, this specific pre-dawn window is a scheduled one-on-one meeting with the Supreme Soul. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to walk through a practical 4-step framework to help you master morning meditation and manage mental fatigue. Managing this foundational morning hour provides the template for your mental stability over the next 24 hours. Let's look at why 4 a.m. works so well. At this hour, the rest of the world is asleep. The atmospheric noise, the collective human anxiety and rush of daily life is at its lowest point. This diagram shows exactly what is happening in your brain. During the day, you operate in an erratic beta state, but early in the morning, your brain easily slips into the smooth, calm theta and alpha states. Your mind becomes uniquely receptive to positive energy. Utilizing this state requires preparation. You have to close the mental background apps of your brain before you go to sleep, actively letting go of worries and grievances. This means stepping away from screens, turning off social media, and being asleep by 10 p.m. A successful morning meditation begins the night before. Consciously forgiving others and zeroing out your daily karmic balance sheet clears the path for an awakened mind at 4 a.m. Step 1 of our framework is detachment. Here, you actively pull your attention away from your physical body and your immediate surroundings. To anchor your mind, direct your focus to the Bhrikkudi, the center of the forehead. This is the seat of the soul. Once your focus is set, create a clear internal affirmation. I am a peaceful, eternal soul. I am an energy separate from this physical body. Now we move to step 2, the spiritual journey. With your awareness detached from the physical form, your mind is ready to travel upward. Visualize rising past the sky, the moon, and stars. You are traveling beyond the physical cosmos, entering a vast golden red dimension of light. This golden red expanse is Paramdham, the soul world. It is a place of absolute, unbroken silence. When you recognize Paramdham as your original home, the mind finds a stable point of reference away from the noise of the physical world. Step 3 is receiving powers. Here in Paramdham, you are directly in front of the Supreme Soul, Shiv Baba. Think of your soul as a depleted battery that has been drained by daily life. Right now, you are plugging straight into the ultimate powerhouse to recharge. This animation shows the connection. You can visualize the Supreme Source radiating energy downward, allowing you to absorb all 7 core spiritual qualities directly into yourself. Those 7 qualities flowing into you are peace, purity, love, joy, power, knowledge, and bliss. Now that you are fully charged, we move to step 4, radiating Sakash. It is time to travel back toward the physical realm to serve the world. See yourself descending from the golden red light, stepping into a subtle, glowing angelic body. From this angelic form, actively send pure vibrations of peace and power radiating outward to your family, into nature, and across the entire globe. Let's hold this feeling for a moment. You are sitting in the pure light of the Supreme Source, and that light is flowing through you to heal the world. Gathering spiritual energy has a specific purpose. That divine power reaches its full potential when you actively share it to help uplift the environment and the people around you. Let's quickly recap our framework. Step 1, anchor yourself in soul consciousness. Step 2, take the journey to Paramdham. Step 3, receive power from the Supreme Source. And step 4, radiate Sakash to the world. Applying this yoga fire every morning steadily dissolves old, negative habits. It creates a mental stability that protects you through the rest of your day. This practice links you to a global spiritual community, all dedicating their early mornings to universal peace. If you found this framework helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video so we can continue bringing you practical steps for your spiritual journey. Claiming your morning is the first step toward managing your own spiritual growth. Om Shanti.